Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is CorelDraw 2018. This will not work in 7 that I have. The envelope tool on a item like this. Let's click on this item first, go to the envelope tool, and you don't get an envelope box. This is a squiggle. It's a object. You can't even convert it to a curve, or maybe it's already a curve. But in 2018 you can. So what I would suggest, and I've got a video on how to do this, these lines are set at 45 degrees. Let's take our Smart Fill tool and let's fill it in with a light gray. And well, let's just get a light color. And then this is probably the smartest thing you do is nudge that over. Then take your envelope, your item you want to envelope. Let's go to Object, Order, Front of Page, so it's in front of the page now. Now let's click on our item, which we already have, and go down to the New Envelope tool. And let's get rid of that node, we don't need it. Get rid of that node, we don't need it. Take this one and put it up top, put that one, put it up top. Take this one and put it to the very far. Now there's another way to do it with the other envelope tool, and I'm going to get in that later on today, hopefully with another video, that would do this a little bit quicker with the shape. And sometimes you can screw up if you go over the lines, but it didn't seem to do it too bad. And just move your handles to the shape of that envelope. This is probably the best way to learn how to do it. And the reason I said nudge it over, so we're pretty much dead on. Good enough for the video. The reason I said nudge it over is because now you can nudge it back and it's right where it needs to be. Now let's take our lines that are at 45 degrees and Control D and make a duplicate of that. Double click it, move that to the center, rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, and we're a little bit off somewhere, I don't like that, but you could play with it. You know what, I bet I'm off on the center somehow. I always like to put indexing lines. I'm going to press P and put it in the center of the page, just so you'll know you're in the center. Okay, we've got a duplicate, so we're going to double click it, get the rotation, make sure it's in the center, and then when you double click it off or click off, you know it's in the center. So now let's rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, 180 degrees. Sometimes Corel does that. And duplicate again. That is a perfect. Let's take away our inside circle. Well, let's take away both circles so you can kind of see it. Let's take away the indexing lines. And that is a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.